Alright Ben, so today I've got with me the Bushnell Core DS 30 megapixel no glow trail cam. Bushnell are really well known. They came into the industry making trail cameras, and that was one of their earliest products and what they're known for. What are some of the features that you make this stand out to you, Ben?
For a top model like this, you pay that little bit more money, but you get that assured reliability, the superior weatherproofing. If you're going to leave the camera out for an extended period of time, be it a week, month, or more than that, you want to know that it's not going to break halfway through and you come back to it at a later date and you've got nothing usable out of it. So the sensor is really good in them as well. You get really high definition images and video. So on some other models, the picture quality might fall down, and particularly the video. This model, you get really smooth video out of it. You get the real pin sharp 4K images, and you're able to see, whether it's day or night, exactly the details of the animal and the quarry and whatever actually the camera picks up.
I understand you've been using this for a while, so do you want to take us through some features of this?
Yeah, so it's 1080p HD video. You can select it onto photo mode as well, up to 4K images if you want. I believe it's got adjustable PIR, so you can adjust the sensitivity of when it triggers to take a photo or a video, and that's out to 80-foot range, so actually it's pretty decent detection on it.
And what's the memory capacity on this?
Maximum 512 gigabytes, and that's with your own SD card. It's pretty standard really. I think you can put it out for, it's got a battery life of a year. Yeah. So you can have it outside for ages and ages if it's in some sort of difficult position or an area where you don't want to access too regularly, and just record from there.
And obviously these are fully waterproof and come included with fastenings to fasten to the trees and stuff like that. They've also got 2 mounts in there as well, so you can mount them to different mounting options as well.
Yep, you just have a strap on the back of it and you can very quickly just attach it to wherever you want. 6 AA batteries is all you need, so everyone's got AA batteries, they're easy to get. It's got a dual sensor as well, so you can get the day and night shots from the same camera. You don't have to have different ones for that. And being the no glow model, that means your animals and your quarry can't actually see any red illumination from some LEDs that they have for the night modes.
And what's the price point on these as well?
£300 is the top of the range model, and that's obviously in the UK for UK pricing.